Hi. So I don't know about you guys, but when I was younger, I always thought multiplying fractions sounded really hard or scary, but it's actually not that hard. And we can even draw pictures or diagrams to help us. My name is Camry Sievers, and today we are going to talk about the multiplication of fractions. So to start out our day, we are going to review and do a little assessment. We are going to multiply two whole numbers together and use a picture to help us. So the problem is 3 times 5. We are going to draw 3 circles. Excuse my drawing. And put 5 little circles in each of our 3 circles. And as you can see, we have 3 groups of 5. So it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 groups of 5 is equal to 15. This can also be shown as repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So that means 3 times 5 equals 15. So we are going to talk about multiplication of a fraction by an integer today and multiplication of an integer by a fraction. So first we are going to talk about the multiplication of a fraction by an integer. 3 pizzas were ordered for a party and a quarter of each pizza was not ate by the party goers. How would we use the fraction circle diagram to solve 3 times 1/4? 3 times 1/4 can be shown as repeated addition, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So we're going to draw a fraction circle diagram. First, we are going to draw 3 circles and cut them into 4 equal parts. Excuse my drawing again, it's not perfect. So if it is 1/4 of every pizza, then we shade in 1 part of each pizza. We already know the denominator is 4. Now we have to count each shaded part to get the numerator, which is 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 1/4 equals 3/4. Now we are going to do some more practice. How would you show that 3 times 3/8 equals 9/8 using fraction strips? These 3 strips representing 3/8 are aligned to show that their combined shaded region represents 9/8. So this strip is 3/8, this one is 3/8, and this one is 3/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which would be 9/8. Now we're going to talk about the multiplication of an integer by a fraction. How can we solve 3/4 times 3? We can use the fraction circle diagram for multiplying an integer by a fraction as well as a fraction by an integer. So for this problem, we are going to draw 3 circles again, like our other problem. And cut them into 4 equal parts. So to solve this problem, we would multiply our numerator by our whole number, which would be 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So we would shade in all of this circle, every part, and then shade in 3/4 of this circle, and then 2/4 of this circle, which represents 9/4, as you can see. Conclusion. Now you guys have learned how to multiply a fraction by an integer and an integer by a fraction. I hope you guys have had fun learning today. Now Alexis is going to talk more about the multiplication of fractions. Thank you.